So, good morning. I am Lakshmipathy AMG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. My title is Financial Accounting 2. Now I am discussing about session number 19. Session number 19, the topic covered royalty account, that is preparation of ledger account in the books of lessee with minimum rent account. So first we take one problem. The Madras Coal Company Limited holds a lease of coal mines for a period of 25 years commencing from 1/1/2014. According to the lease of the company is to pay 75 paise as royalty per ton, with a minimum rent of rupees 7,500 per year. Short workings, however, to be recovered out of royalty in excess of minimum rent of the next years only. In the years of strike, the minimum rent is to be reduced to 60%. The output for the 6 years has been 100. Year 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Output in tons 5,000, 6,000, 14,000 and 12,500, 25,000 and 2019 7,500 strike. The question is prepare minimum rent account, royalty account. First we preparing the analysis of table, royalty analysis table. In 2014, 5,000 output into 75 paise, 3,750 is the royalty, but minimum rent is 7,500. So in this case, royalty is less than minimum rent. So the difference is 3,750. The 3,750 is the short workings and finally amount paid to landlord 7,500. In 2015, 6,000 tons into 75 paise per ton, 4,500. The minimum rent is 7,500. In this case also royalty is less than minimum rent. The difference 7,500 to 4,500 is called 3,000 or short workings. So finally 7,500 is paid to landlord. In 2016, 14,000 tons are produced into 75 paise per unit is equal to 10,500, but minimum rent is 7,500. So in this case royalty is more than minimum rent. So the difference is called 3,000 are treated as surplus, and that surplus is utilized for recovery of short workings. So in the 2014 total short workings 3,750. Out of 3,750 we only recover 3,000 because time is over. In remaining 750 is not recoverable, and transferred to P&L account, that is 7,500 is the amount paid to landlord. In 2017, 12,500 tons manufactured into 75 paise, 9,375 is the royalty. So in this case also royalty is more than minimum rent. The difference is 1,875 is a surplus. In 2015, 3,000 short workings are there, out of 3,000 only we recover 1,875, and remaining 1,125 is not recoverable and transferred to P&L account, and 7,500 amount paid to landlord. So in 2018, 25,000 tons we are manufacturing, into 75 paise, total royalty is 18,750. The minimum rent is 7,500. In this case, no short workings, so entire 18,750 amount paid to landlord. But in 2019, 7,500 outputs are manufacturing due to strike. In that situation, the minimum rent automatically reduced to 60%. That is 7,500 into 60% is 4,500. So in this case also royalty is more than minimum rent. So 5,625 is paid to landlord. Next, we prepare ledger accounts in the books of lessee. The first account is minimum rent account. In 2014, debit the landlord account 7,500. Credit royalties account 3,750, and short workings accounts 3,750, total 7,500. In 2015, December 31st, debit landlord account 7,500, and credit side by royalties account 4,500, by short workings account 3,000, total 7,500. Another account is royalty account. In 2014, debit to minimum rent account 3,750, credit by P&L account 3,750. In 2015, to minimum account debit 4,500, credit by P&L account 4,500. In 2016, debit to short workings account 3,000, to landlord account 7,500, total 10,500, and credit profit and loss account 10,500. So in the year 2017, December 31st, to short workings account 1,875, debit to landlord account 7,500, total 9,375, credit by profit and loss account 9,375. So in 2018, December 31st, debit to landlord account 18,750, credit by profit and loss account 18,750. And lastly, in 2019, to landlord account 5,625, Credit by profit and loss account 5,625. So another account is short workings account. In 2014 to minimum rent account 3,750. By balance carry down, that is balancing figure 3,750, and this amount is brought down to next year beginning of the month. So to balance brought down 3,750. This year minimum rent, this year short workings 3,000. Total short workings in the year 2015 is 6,750. And credit side balancing figure 6,750 is balance carry down, and that amount is to be brought down to next year 2016 January 1. To balance brought down 6,750. In the year 2016 credit by royalty, we pay royalty 3,000, we are recovering short working 3,000. Credit P&L account, we are not recovered 750, and remaining balance carry down 3,000, and this 3,000 is brought down to next year 2017. To balance brought down 3,000. By royalty account 1,875. By profit and loss account 1,125. Next, we prepare landlord account 2014 to bank account 7,500. Credit by minimum rent account 7,500. In 2015 debit bank account 7,500. Credit minimum rent account 7,500. In 2016 debit bank account 7,500 and credit by royalty account 7,500. In 2017 debit to bank account 7,500 and credit by royalty 7,500. In 18 debit to bank account 18,750 and credit by royalty account 18,750. And finally in 2019 debit to bank account 5,625, credit by royalty account 5,625. So we take second problem. KGF Gold Mines took a lease for a period of 20 years at a royalty of rupee 1 per ton on 1/1/2012. The minimum rent was fixed at rupees 28,000 for the first year, 42,000 for the second year, and 56,000 per year thereafter. Short workings of any year could be recouped within the lifetime of the lease. The production for the first 5 years was year 2012 14,000, 13 31,500, 14 42,000, 15 63,000, 16 84,000. Prepare necessary ledger accounts under minimum rent account method. So in this situation, first we prepare royalty analysis table. Here output royalty, minimum rent, short workings recouped, short workings irrecoverable, and amount paid to landlord. In 2012, 14,000 output into 14,000 is the royalty. But minimum rent is 28,000. So royalty is less than minimum rent. The difference called short workings 14,000 and amount paid to landlord in this year is 28,000, that is whatever the minimum rent is paid. In 2013, 31,500 the output into 31,500 is the royalty and minimum rent is 42,000. In this case also the royalty is more than minimum rent. The short workings are 10,500. The amount paid to landlord is 42,000. In 2014, 42,000 tons we are manufacturing into 42,000 royalty and minimum rent is 56,000. In this case also royalty is less than minimum rent. The shortage is 14,000. And finally amount paid to landlord is 56,000. In 2015, 63,000 tons manufacturing into royalty is equal to 63,000. But in this case minimum rent is 56,000. But royalty is more than minimum rent and the difference is called a surplus 7,000. The 7,000 is used for short workings recovered and remaining 56,000 is paid to landlord. In 2016, 84,000 tons we are manufacturing into 84,000 is the royalty, but minimum rent is 56,000. Here also surplus 28,000. In this problem SWS are recovered lifetime of the lease. So out of 14,000 we recovered 7,000. Remaining 7,000, 17,500, 31,500. So total 31,500 is the short workings remaining, out of which we have surplus of rupees 28,000 only we are recovered. And remaining short workings are waiting for next year's surplus. We are not transferring to short workings irrecoverable account because in this situation any short workings recovered during the lifetime of the year. So finally we pay 56,000 to landlord. So we are preparing ledger accounts in the books of KGF Gold Mines lessee The first account is minimum rent account. In 2012, debit side to landlord. Debit the landlord 28,000. Credit royalty 14,000. Credit short workings 14,000. In 2013, debit landlord account 42,000 and credit royalties account 31,500 and credit short workings account 10,500. In the year 2014, debit landlord account 56,000 and credit by royalties account 42,000 and credit by short workings 14,000. Next account is royalty. So in this year 2012, debit the minimum rent account 14,000 and credit profit and loss account 14,000. In the year 2013, debit minimum rent account, credit profit and loss account 31,500. 2014, debit minimum rent account 42,000 and credit profit and loss account 42,000. In the year 2015, debit to short workings account 7,000, debit landlord account 56,000, credit profit and loss account. In 2016, debit short workings account 28,000 to landlord account 56,000, total 84,000 is credited to P&L account. And another account is short workings account. In the year 2012, the minimum rent short workings 14,000 and balance carry down is also 14,000. That balance carry down to brought down to next year beginning to balance brought down 14,000. This year short workings is 10,500, total 24,500 and credit balance carry down balancing figure 24,500 is the total short workings in the year 2013. 24,500 is brought down to another next year 2004 January to balance brought down 24,500 to minimum account this year short workings is 14,000, total short workings in the year 2014 is 38,500 and entire balancing figure 38,500 is balance carry down and brought down to next year January 2001 to balance brought down 38,500. In this year no short working. Out of 38,500 we only recover 7,000 and remaining balance short workings is 31,500 is brought down to next 2016 January 1st to balance brought down 31,500. By out of 31,500 we paid in the form of surplus 28,000 in the form of royalty and remaining balance is closing balance 3,500. That 3,500 is brought down to next year 2017 January to balance brought down 3,500. So another account is landlord account. In 2012 we debit the bank account 28,000 by crediting minimum rent account 28,000. In 2013 also same, debit the bank account 42,000, credit the minimum rent account 42,000. In 2014 also debit the bank account 56,000, credit minimum rent account 56,000. In 2015 debit the bank account 56,000 and credit by royalty account 56,000. And last year 2016 debit the bank account 56,000, credit royalty account 56,000. Dear student, try yourself. The Doddaballapura Coal Company undertook some coal bearing a land from Gupta at a royalty of rupee 1 per ton with a minimum rent of rupees 51,000 per annum. Each year excess of minimum rent or actual royalty were recoverable during the subsequent 3 years. The lease, however, stipulated that in any year of strike, the minimum rent is to be reduced to 75%. The output for 5 years were year 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Production 6,000, 42,000, 57,000, 69,000, 45,000. In the year 2019, strike for 3 months and 20, 75,000. The question is, prepare minimum rent account, royalty account, short workings account and landlord account. These are the references. Thank you very much.